Hey, hi. We launched Tegon Actions pretty recent, so right now you can run trigger for any Tegon event. So now I'm quickly going to show you how we can get started with Tegon Actions. Also, recently we've been pushing out a lot of features, so yeah, also expected a bunch of bugs. So we thought like we'll probably write something for that. So we brought in something called Bug Enricher. What it does is whenever a new issue is created and tagged as or labeled as bug, we send an API call to OpenAI and ask for possible solution and then comment it back. So just to decrease the amount of effort a developer would do. Slowly we want to get in. I mean, you would probably want to provide a way to connect to the code base so that you can get better solution. And also we also support already connecting with Sentry, so you get like a better information so that the bug gets resolved quicker. I'm just gonna show like quick 50-line code like how we approached it. The entry point is config.json, so we use this to talk to Tegon, like basically saying at what time this trigger should be called. So currently it is configured to call an on create of issue, and if we go to the code, so we basically take a single function that is the entry point, or you could call a handler. And what it does, if for example here we take the payload has the event information and other context. So right now we take the payload from which we get what issue has been, what issue is created, and we fetch the issue information and see if it has labels. We also fetch the labels for the workspace and try to see the label ID, any of the label ID assigned to the issue has bug. If it doesn't, we return. If it has, then we send an API call to the OpenAI, and there is a prompt. You can also, this is also available in the GitHub repo, so you can just go through it. This is a quick prompt on giving like certain examples and how the output should look like. And the output, then we comment back on the issue. So in short, this is like the code which takes an issue and then sends to the AI and then responds back on the comment. Now let me just quickly deploy this. To deploy, you have to get a pad token. The pad token is available in settings and API. You can create a new personal token. Once you export the token in the env, then you can use a CLI to basically deploy it. It takes like a couple of seconds to deploy, depending on the size of the project. So this should typically just take a couple of seconds. So this deploys the action to the Tegon. It's almost on. Cool, the deployment has been succeeded. Now if I go create an issue, I'm just editing the base host so that internally it's able to talk. Yeah. Now I will give bug and then I will create an issue. We have like a section called actions where you get to see what actions are installed and how the execution is happening. So you can see that because of the issue which got created, this action is currently getting executed. It's done. If I go, you can see that the bug enricher action which we have installed has commented back on the issue. It has a little markdown problem, but yeah, I think it's the probably coolest and quickest solution we had. We are also writing utils so that we can solve the markdown problem, but yeah, in short, that is it about. Thank you.